Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to be doing some touch-up work to the iKamper. I actually wanted to do a chrome delete on the iKamper logo for quite a while now. In order to get this job done, you're going to need some blue painter's tape, and I'm going to be using some Plasti Dip in case I want to remove it in the future. It's not going to be permanent, but it will last for a very long time. First thing I'm going to do is mask off any of the areas that I don't want painted. I'm going to be speeding up this process since this is very time consuming. Alright guys, not sure what happened to my video, but it kind of got cut off in between, but I did finish the job. As you guys can see, I'm not really picky with the tape. As long as you're just taping it, every piece can be useful. I went ahead and taped up the red K on the camper because I'm going to leave it red. I just wanted everything to be blacked out. Important things that you need to do is to make sure that none of the tape is covering up the chrome, or else it's not going to, it's going to show through. And not only that, but when you peel off the blue tape, it might peel off the paint. So you just want to make sure you guys get that done. Don't worry about the little spots that are showing through. The plastic dip is really not permanent. You can actually rub them off. So as long as you got all the letters covered, you're totally fine. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to spray this down. I'm gonna do roughly about 5 coats so everything is nice and thick. Hey guys, so I'm having some problems with my camera. It keeps stopping in between the recording. But I went ahead and applied the first coat. I went very light. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a really thin coat and let it cool down for about 15 minutes between the coating. And I'll go ahead and apply the 2nd to 5th layer. I'll now be doing the 2nd layer. Gonna shake the plastic dip well. So after 2 layers, this is how it's looking so far. This next layer, I'm going to be focusing on the top and on the bottom to make sure that everything is completely covered. So this is the 4th layer. It's looking pretty good. I see just a little bit of chrome spots left. All right guys, so I've done a couple coats so far. This is how it's looking. My main goal is to make sure that all the chrome is covered, which it looks like it's done a great job. I'll probably add another 2 coats just to make sure that everything is on there. The paint's nice and even. Let's go ahead and throw on this next coat. All right guys, so I ended up doing 6 layers just to make sure that the coating is on very well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the moment of truth and start peeling. All right. All right, guys, there you go. So let me know what you guys think. It's all blacked out. I think it looks a lot better than the chrome. Hope that you guys found this video helpful. Now time to do the front.